The 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.